guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Your baby girl is back, guys, with the amazing video, guys. It's a morning. I woke up early in the morning, around past 5, to prepare myself to cook something nice, yeah. But the weather outside is not weathering, it's cloudy. Let me do a video. The weather is not weathering, guys. Outside it's very, 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 very cold and cloudy. Okay, before I burn my food, guys, let me go check my food. This weather is like this, guys. See, it's cloudy and very cold. Okay, guys, let me show you what I'm preparing. Today I'll be preparing these, guys. These are chips. I hope I'm not burning them. I'm not even burning them. They're almost ready, guys. This is my breakfast, guys. This is what I'm making for breakfast. I'll show you once I'm done. Okay. So yeah, these are my veggies. So I would do a cooked salad here for myself. See, I use this oil. And then I'm having a constipation. I don't know. So these days I'm drinking my water, too much water. I'll show you. See, so these are my ingredients. But I will show you because I will add some. These are carrot, potatoes, and then chopped veggies. You know what I mean, guys. And I woke up early in the morning to do this, and aside here I'm preparing for then I think it's ready. Let me switch it off, because wow, guys, let me show you outside, the other side. Okay. Guys, never mind, this bucket I was cleaning. I did clean in the morning. Then my mop here, once I'm done having a bath, it's my hot water. Guys, and the weather outside it's like this. It's around past 6 a.m. Guys, look this. Look at this. Hope you guys will love my main vlog. Guys, in the morning I was scared. I thought that's a cheetah. Look. Oh, guys, I thought that's a cheetah. Okay, see? Look at the jacaranda trees. See, others, guys, they're preparing for Christmas. Look, it's clean. Physical is very, very clean, guys. See, oh, guys, oh, I hope I'm not burning mine. I forgot that I'm cooking chips. Hey, let's go check together. Okay. Never mind. Oh, not yet burned. Wow, guys, it's getting there. I want them to be crispy. Homemade chips. Let me show you. Homemade chips, guys. Look, it's getting there. Now I have to steam these potatoes aside. I cook potatoes. I will make a salad, but not for now. For later on, with my sister, we'll eat nice food with some veggies. This is the current situation right now. They're getting ready, guys. I want them to be nice. I did a cardinal school, guys. I did when they cook nice meals, what I mean. So yeah, that's why you see it's called her hand cards. Look our veggies, small veggies. Here I was washing, and then I don't know, maybe I dropped some oil, you see. So yeah, guys, today is like this. And I washing, before I cook, I make sure I rinse my plates and pots, then I use them. Look guys, I use this canola oil from Food Lovers. As with my sister, we buy from Food Lovers. And then bottle of my water. Here we go. Some carrot veggies, guys. See, nice carrot. I'm the one. Let me taste. Guys, I forgot to tell you, I was chopping this. It's very nice. Cucumber, guys, it's very nice. And some pepper. And then I'm the one who was cutting this. Don't worry, my hands are clean, okay? Yes, it's almost there. Now I think I have to pause my video so that I show you guys. Guess what? I'm almost done. Okay. This is the second pan. It's not full, It's a small portion of chips, my friends. And we're thinking to buy a 2-plate with my sister because we want to start cooking, as we like to prepare our dishes from scratch, our own recipes, bringing and coming out with our own recipes, guys. We like that. Okay, let me show you guys what I've prepared for myself. This is it, guys. Okay, because I don't have a salad dressing, guys, what I'll show what I will put. And I will drink this not with water, guys. No, I just need milk. Never mind, guys. As with my twin sister, already did shopping. Oh, guys, I found out we don't have milk by the fridge, so I have to. Guys, myself, I always like drinking milk. I don't know about you. And then I have to grab a glass here. Oh, guys, we don't have ketchup. Ooh, never mind. And some pinch of salt, okay? Never mind, guys. It's not that much, but we enjoy that little we have with my sister. Oh God, I think I have to start washing this. This one needs to be washed. This one needs to be on the fridge. Where can I put? Our fridge is full. Where can I put this? Maybe here. It's full of veggies, guys, as we don't eat meat. So full. Water. Yeah. Okay. Need to pick this. Yes. And bottle of my water. I don't like refrigerator. It's I mean cold water. I don't like it. So guys, because I don't have what do they call it? This salt. Okay, guys, this is the outcome. Okay, then because I don't have salad dressing, I will use mayonnaise, for the veggies, and yeah, that's it. Then for the what they call it, for the chips, I'll just use salt and all gold tomato. Okay, so guys, let's get it done. Okay, guys, almost done with dressing. So nice to pour some milk. Guys, I don't like tea, to be honest with you, so I rather drink what? Milk. Then put it in the refrigerator. And the other side, what? Guess what? Still making more chips because I did cut a lot of them. Where can I put this? Guys, our fridge is full. Let's see. I'll put one. Well, let me do this. And I think I will chop this carrot because it's nice, guys, to be honest with you. I like that. Yes. Oopsie! It's dropping. Look, I have to pick it. I won't throw it. Okay. Where can I put? This one is looking good. Okay, let me do like this. See, the fruit is full of veg. This is my leftover. Okay. Before we get it done. Okay, guys. I'll probably post this today. Guys, yo, I did fuck ups. I wanted to see what my potatoes. Still see, they're sinking here. Oopsie. Okay, guys, this is what I'll be enjoying. Okay. I think I have to take a picture before I chow because I need to clear up these, guys. Okay. This is it, guys. Almost done. This is my last one, guys, and I think now I have to end my short video, guys. Okay, I have to end my short video. I'll see you soon, guys. Yes, almost done. Crisp and nice, eh? What do you think, guys? Do you like my fries? Do you like them, guys? Look. Guys, for today my video will just end right now here. Officially, will see you on my next coming vlog. I miss you so much, guys. Hopefully you subscribe, share, comment, and like the video, guys. Road to 200 subs before the end of year. I don't know about next year, but I'll try to push, you know. Let me not give up. I'll try to post yeah, I'll try to post many videos for you guys to create more. By liking and sharing, commenting and subscribing, you're pushing me, guys, to do more, show you more what I'll be doing. Okay, so guys, don't forget to what. Guys, I missed you so much, and I like this weather if it's like this because my video looking if it's sunny, you guys, you know what I mean. Let me switch off the stove. Okay guys, I'll see you next on my coming video. Once I'm done having my breakfast, I will quickly prepare myself for work. Why not? See you soon, guys. Cheers, ciao, ciao, bye.